Have you noticed strange auroras lighting up the sky lately, or heard about GPS glitches and airline reroutes? It's not your imagination. It's the sun throwing a cosmic tantrum. Yep, massive solar flares are bursting from our favorite star, and Earth is right in the splash zone. Let's break down what's going on and why your Wi-Fi might be acting a little solar-powered. First things first, what is a solar flare? Picture the sun like a giant ball of magnetic spaghetti. Sometimes those magnetic fields twist and snap, and that snap releases a blast of energy, a solar flare. Solar flares shoot out X-rays and extreme ultraviolet radiation at near light speeds. If they're strong enough, they can also trigger coronal mass ejections, or CMEs for short, which are like solar burps that launch billions of tons of plasma straight into space. So why is the sun acting up now? Well, the sun follows an 11-year cycle of activity, flipping its magnetic poles like a cosmic etch-a-sketch. Right now, we're heading into solar maximum, the peak of that cycle, and 2025 is expected to be the most active year in 2 decades. More sunspots means more magnetic chaos, which means more solar flares. And lately, we've had X-class flares, the strongest kind, blasting off like fireworks. Here's where it gets real. Solar flares and CMEs can mess with Earth's magnetic field. That causes geomagnetic storms. Think of them like space weather hurricanes. They can disrupt GPS signals, shortwave radio, even satellites and power grids. In fact, in 1989, a solar storm knocked out power across all of Quebec, Canada, for 9 hours. In 2003, the so-called Halloween storms forced airlines to reroute flights and disabled some satellites. And just recently, in May 2025, airlines flying polar routes had to rechart paths to avoid communication blackouts. Okay, pause for a science sanity check. Should we panic? Nope. Earth's magnetic field is like a giant superhero shield. Most of the time it protects us. But satellites, astronauts, and even tech infrastructure are vulnerable. NASA and space weather agencies constantly monitor the sun. If a major flare is incoming, power companies and satellite operators can take precautions, like putting systems in safe mode or rerouting data. So yes, solar flares are real, powerful, and currently super active. But they're also a reminder of how alive and dynamic our solar system is. Plus, bonus, solar storms mean spectacular auroras farther south than usual. So keep your eyes on the skies, and maybe double-check your GPS.